Hey, what's up, guys? We got a quick little update. Yesterday, me and Richard spent all day working on the mini bike, and of course, it's got the $40 Briggs & Stratton motor from the pressure washer sitting on it right now. And basically, you're looking at all that was good on the mini bike, pretty much. It took us literally all day to get the bearings driven out of the wheels and the headstock for the frame. This will give you a good idea. This is what one of the wheel bearings looked like on the back. So yeah, there's nothing left of it. And every other bearing on there, yeah, I had to weld bolts to it just to be able to get them out. But all the other bearings like this, I mean, they're just completely shot. At least that one still rolls. The other ones were just seized completely up. So anyway, I want to make this as fair as possible. We've both got a $200 budget. I've got fab work to do on the ATV, which most of his stuff, he can just look up Coleman CT200U and just buy it, and it, you know, it is what it is. But in all fairness, I mean, I've told him a couple of times that I want him to win just as much as I want to win. So I want to make everything fair. So what we're going to do is, we've got a $200 budget apiece. So I'm going to do this. We've got that right here. I'm going to keep my 200. There's your 200. Now, neck bearings, wheel bearings, anything that you need to make this thing roll, those are not going to come out of your budget. Because like I said, I want it to be fair. Because I mean, mine rolls nice and free. I want his to be able to roll nice and free. And I want the competition to be fair. So he's got his money, I've got my money. Let's go shopping
and see who wins.
And see who wins. So you guys pick it up next time. We'll either be working on this some more, or we'll be working on ATV. I don't know which one we're going to be working on yet, but hope you guys will tune in for that. And thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.
Adios.